Yeah, we are Marc and Fabian from Grafana, and we would like to give you an update on Beyla, which is an eBPF-based automatic instrumentation tool. I will do a quick demo, like a Hello World example, so that you know what it is. If you have been at PromCon last year, you don't need it, because we had a real talk on Beyla. And then, yeah, this one, so watch the video, it's great. Yeah, and then Marc will do a little, what happened since then, right? So what we have here on this laptop, we have an HTTP service running, and we want to instrument it, get some telemetry data out of it. And with Beyla, in the simplest possible case, you just need 3 steps. So you download Beyla from the GitHub repository here, grafana/Beyla. It's a binary written in Go. Once you have that on your laptop, you need to kind of tell it which application to instrument. There's many ways how to do that. What I'm doing here is I just tell it, find the process that is listening on port 8080, and this is the one you're going to instrument. And then Beyla supports both Prometheus and OpenTelemetry. In this case, I'm going to expose Prometheus metrics. So I'm going to say, please expose Prometheus metrics on port 9400. And that's it. I run Beyla. Go to port 9400, and I see all the fancy, HTTP request rates, latency histograms, all the data that's there, process metrics, and so forth. So this is Beyla, and now what's new?
Yeah, so one of the things that we working in the past months is expand the capabilities of Beyla, because it initially started as to auto-instrument Go services, but we expanded to instrument any HTTP service, and yeah, it also works out of the box with Kubernetes. And so there is this project in OpenTelemetry. It's called OpenTelemetry Demo, and it's just an example of you can use Docker or Kubernetes, and it deploys many services in different technologies like .NET, Go, Java, almost everything. And they talk each other, the services, gRPC, HTTP. And you deploy this, and it has an OpenTelemetry collector, and it also deploys a Grafana dashboard and Jaeger and all this stuff. And we kind of thought that the idea of doing what we call no-tell demo, because we don't need the OpenTelemetry collector. So we just want to use Beyla to automatically instrument all these services that they're talking each other without having to deploy any collector. So we have here in a Kubernetes cluster, we deployed the no-tell demo with a Helm. So we can see here there are many pods. Yeah. And then we have also Beyla deployed as a daemon set, which is listening in all the nodes. And yeah, so we can check here that we have Beyla running in our cluster, and we have here the list of all processes that we instrument. And you typically can visualize these metrics in a Grafana dashboard, but I can show you, we have an application observability plugin. And yeah, there are all the services here. You can see the language, and yeah, we can drill down on latency, and you can see also here the list of the operations and the latency for all of them, and you can also click on upstream services and that they're using the service graph, right? We can, we can actually even here, yeah, this giant graph, and yeah, pretty much it, right?
Yeah, so tons of technologies, right?
Yeah.
Java, .NET, PHP, Python, Ruby, Rust, everything that's in the OpenTelemetry community demo, instrumented just with Beyla, get the same signals, works as well.
Yeah. So please give it a go and give us feedback if you find it useful. Thank you.